Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Let's Talk. Recently I came across this video with this female. She says that she have 5 children and she's seeking the public's help based on the fact of the lockdown and her schooling for her children, and we want to share this video with you right now on our program. So after this break we'll share the video with you plus the details of the video. We'll be right back. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Some of the times we see certain situation being portrayed on social media and we think that everyone is having an easy life. But this video just goes to show you about the struggles that people face out there on a day-to-day basis, especially when the family lacks certain moral support and certain economic stability, especially when the father is not playing their part in the relationship. We're gonna share this video with you, then we will just give our comments after the video. Let's go over to it right now.
Especially why I don't know if we start, but I want it we have to talk about. Me have to say my mother have 5 children. The oldest one, it's a girl 16 years old. The second one, boy 12. The third one, boy 10. Well, this month in my level. The fourth one, girl 7 years old. And the fifth one, she a 3-year-old. I'm gonna understand me now. Please. I never want them know say me I make this a video, yeah. If them even find out after, but I don't want them know say me I make a video now. Understand now. One phone me have, one device me have, one. I mean I have money if you go buy one other one. I say if I get the money, I go do it. But I not get it, I not have it. I want one more phone or one tablet or so to give me pitney them, to do them class or them schoolwork and them Zoom business and them Zoom that. Listen to me. And even so, if I do get the phone or the tablet to do it, where me get internet from? Me not have money to buy data, to buy service to last them at least 1, 2 or 3 days, more over 6, 5 and 6 days. What's the beginning to do? You download the Zoom. And you go on if you do one classwork or what. The Zoom, you have all of the data. On top of my personal text that I can't even get through with. Listen, 2 of them are go Enid Bennett High School. The big girl have fear phone. She use it on the fear one, but she can't hardly find the money to give her to buy the credit too. To put on the data. And the other 3 of them, grade 7, the next one we go Enid Bennett. He in a grade 7. When me go so download the Zoom on my phone and access it and them something there. How comes me I'll get when I get to deal with the other 2 them where the same thing, same procedure me have to do for get through for them one. And when him a do in classwork, the other 2 them are go left behind because me not have another device for give them for do them for them work. When I understand me and me alone with me 5 pitney them. One of the father them barely help me take care of the children them and the baby because she the last one a fee on that one. The other rest of them not for him. And he might help me give me when he can. He never give me money and say a fishy specifically. You understand? And me not have no help with the other rest of them daddy. Government do not understand me. We cannot beat this thing. I know not try not do no work. I may have high blood pressure. A week before last I got a doctor. I got a clinic. And then prescribe medication for me. Jesus Christ. We cannot beat this thing. I not have no money. We not get. Look, for how long we promise we look up tablet them for pitney. Where it makes sense, You know, I tell yourself we do this and do that for we went for them one time. We don't help with them the way there. we on go town alone and go give people them the tablet them. Giving them the tablet them we have it up, we have more. I don't even know if you say. Them pick ya to be the back a bush, you know remember we one we had a three pitting them. We had a two them, three them we figure up on the tablet. If we forget the information from school and so forth, them are gonna left behind because the one phone cannot do everything. The last time my phone crash, when the COVID just come out because me I get group work from. Because my daughter never have no phone yet, so I get group work from Fia grade 9 class. I get group work from my boy grade 6 class, for me little boy, other little boy grade 3 class, and for me other little girl grade 2 class. My phone run up, my phone bank up, it crash, it just mash up because of peer message are come in. And not to help the people them would have understand. So listen to me. If a group work could not deal with pan the phone, them are just group work could kind of have a personal conversation pan the phone, in the group. Or if you don't want to have a personal conversation with persons from the group, contact them pan them number. Government listen. I want the world to know this. Me just cannot manage no more. Me no. Una tell me say we fi do it thing, do what we have to do. Do what we have to do. Una tell you that you know? Una tell me say we fi do it because I feel them already and we have to do what we have to do. Me know I do no job. But if me figure a doctor right now, doctor tell me say me fi easy this and me no fi do this and me no fi that. Because them a do their job. So what me fi do? And me no want dead left me picking them. No. Me no want dead left me picking them. You don't understand. Right now me no want to insist me I do this. I just feel shame, me I cry in front of them. Me can't help them the way they want to help. And my daughter is a very bright girl. She come first in her class in the last exam. I don't want she lose. I want she to go more, I want she to go far. Because I never finish school. Me never finish school and a financial situation where I never finish school and I'm pregnant and drop out of school. Good God, do not have mercy upon me. Please. Anybody can tell me what a situation and please, maybe gonna phone no help.
Well, there you have it. This female is sharing her emotional story with you. And I hope that if anyone out there that wish to assist her, I think I have a number. I will leave it down below this video. But as you can see there, she sounds so emotional in this video and she seemed very hurt based on the fact that she can't able to cope with the current situation of the pandemic and the whole situation of the schoolwork on the 5 children. So if anyone out there wants to help, I'll leave a number down below this video, or you can just drop me a comment as well and I'll try to make contact with her. But this situation is just so sad, and this is just an eye-opener for many out there in the world that are facing a similar circumstance when we look on the situation and the whole episode of this pandemic that has caused so many people right now to become so stressed and also to become so worried about their own life. I hope someone out there can just assist this female and her kids as well, because as you can see, she's very much in need and she's making a public appeal to anyone out there that wants to help her. And I feel so sorry for her after watching this video, so I'll try my very best to see how well I can assist in the process as well. But as I watch this video, it just goes to show you out there that we have certain people that are struggling in this current era that we're living in, and most of the time people believe that everything is okay, but it's not, because this video just goes to show that we have people out there struggling each day in order to make ends meet. And it's a situation that we really wish that we could help more in, and I hope that the government or someone from some authoritative position would see this video and try to assist this individual and her kids as well. I'm not saying it's a must, but she is making that plight, and I hope that this video can just reach someone and touch someone's heart just in order to help her and her kids. We have seen a number of people struggling and complaining about the whole schooling system and the whole situation of not having access to internet for their children in order to do their schoolwork, or not having access to the portable devices including mobile phones or even tablets, because this is what now it has gone to. We have gone to the age of technology during this pandemic, where schoolworks are being sent to home by this media, and we have seen a number of parents being complaining about the whole situation. But the Prime Minister also made a statement and tried to see how he can address the problem as well, and we might share that video at the end of this. However, we're just hoping that everything goes well for her and that she does get the help that she requires. And we'll try our very best to see what we can do on this side of the platform, just in order to assist her as well. But with this video, I hope that this video does reach someone out there, and that someone does try their best to reach out to me so I can reach out to her in order to assist her. In the meantime, I'll see what I can do on my side in order to assist her as well. So this has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk. I believe I'm gonna leave this one here for now. You can just drop it in the comment section. How do you feel about watching this video about this?